Yeah, you guys, welcome back to another vlog with Rahul. Bye guys, what is up? It's been really long. I've not been vlogging almost for like 3 months, 4 months I think. Happy New Year to everybody watching the video 2019. Let's start with a bang. We're at 4.2 subscribers I think, 4.2k. So inshallah we'll hit a lot this year. And right now we're on our way to Wayanad. We got in at Calicut and a slight problem happened in Calicut. Let me just show you this clip I took in Calicut. Because right now we're at Calicut and we messed up. We took a train from Surathkal and we bought tickets only to Kasaragod, and the end moment we changed. We thought we'd just get along. But we got fined like 300 bucks per person. It's around 3,000 rupees, that's what's up. And yeah, so right now we're at this restaurant called the White House. First of all, we're all broke, but we always end up in like, expensive places. I told the driver to take us to some shop. He took us to super expensive place. We're like, okay, just let's go eat here. So yeah, it's pretty cold, it's very nice, the weather's beautiful. So let's see how that goes, guys. Guys, we finally reached our homestay. Faizan, what are you doing, man? We finally reached our homestay. So this is the place we're staying. I think we're kind of late according to schedule. We're here around 3 p.m. but apparently everything closes by 4 in Wayanad. So we're supposed to go to some caves and stuff. So I don't think that's happening today. And it was a nice vehicle, and this is where we're staying. It's a pretty good place. I mean, for the price, it's pretty decent. We have like a couple of rooms and stuff. And then there's like a living area, there's like a couple of washrooms. It's not that bad. It's only like 3.5, 4k a night, I think. That's pretty nice. There's some beds and shit. Sudarshan's over there chilling all the time. Sudarshan, what are you doing, bud?
Fine, bye. Get ready, bye. Waterfall.
I'm ready, bud. Right now we're all set. We're leaving to go somewhere. Apparently people want to have toddy and other stuff to see. I think we're just gonna look at some falls. I hope it's not closed because we're a little late. Dressing up, all that stuff takes time. Come on, Sudarshan, my man. He's a big man from NIDK. Yeah. So what do you want to say to the vlog channel?
We are going to go to the waterfalls right now, and our squad, all of us are wearing red and shit. We're going to take sexy photos.
Sexy photos is what Sudarshan is planning on. And let's leave already, guys. Nobody's coming. Let's go. We're at this place called Karapula Dam. I hope that's how you pronounce it. So we all are here. Hopefully this is not closed. So we're going in. Let's go check it out how it is. So that's what's up.
Oh, I know that you go, my love, I think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow, and I want to hold your hands when it is cold.
Really beautiful, and think about such places as it just gives you this peace of mind, and it's really nice to be here. And we're not doing much of things, we're kind of late. The background's beautiful, it looks like I'm with the backdrop and stuff. Yeah, so I'm back to vlogging. It's been really long, so I'm kind of weird with the vlogging stuff, but yeah, hopefully this vlog is okay. Now we're gonna have some good food. I find tattu kada, I don't know what that is. My friends are hyping it up. Tattu kada. Let's go see what that tattu kada is. So yeah, they're hyping it up. Apparently Kerala stuff. And yeah, that's what. Tomorrow we are going to caves and stuff and some rafting and shit. Let's see how that. So guys, right now we're at Banasura Dam. I think that's the name. I'm not sure. So we're all here to check out the dam. That's what's up. Right now we're at the Banasura Dam, and we thought we'd go ziplining, but the ziplining looks really small. I mean, we thought it's claimed to be Wayanad's longest zipline, but it's like very, closer to the ground, so that's not much appealing. So I think we might end up going kayaking, so that's the plan for now. It's pretty, but it's very hot too. I don't know why it's so hot, the sun's shining. And let's see what's up. And so far the trip has been good. We're all like, enjoying in the bus, and yeah, scenes which we can't put on the vlog are there too. So yeah, that's what's going down right now. So yeah. something called coconut ice cream. Everybody's buying it. Apparently it's pretty famous here. So let's check how the ice cream is. Ice cream, and it's I think 20 or 10 rupees and everybody's buying it. So let's check how it is. Not bad. Pretty decent. Not a big fan of coconut, so it's like Bounty. Yeah, so right now we're going for this boating thing. It's not even a boat, it's a freaking cycle. My friends are... Guys, it's like 400 bucks. Just don't die, chat. Guys, right now Sudarshan's behind me cycling and shit. That's what's up. It's beautiful. This is what life is all about. 2019. Yeah. Okay, we're going to land, guys. So guys, this year has been 2018. That this year, I mean last year, has been really beautiful for us. And to be honest, a lot of things happened. College happened. Didn't know how college would go, but it all turned out good. Looking forward to this year, guys. Starting off with Wayanad trip. I know I've not been posting regularly, and it's a great mistake. My friend's telling too hard. Okay. She's not like talking shit. Okay, she's getting creeped out of my vlogging stuff. But alright guys, that's what's up. Let's see what all we do today. There's a trek coming up apparently. I don't know how much you can vlog of that. Calicut. It was a long journey. Now we're trying to have some dinner from Calicut Paragon. We're trying to go for a Malayalam movie just for the ending. I don't know which movie it is, so we're going for that movie. It was a great trip. I don't know how much I could vlog properly, but we had a lot of fun. One of the best college trips I've ever had. That's what's up. And right now we're going to have some dinner and stuff. Apparently Calicut biryani is really good. Abhishek bhai, I hope you all stay together. It's good and stuff. And yeah, let's go have that. And now we're for a movie also. Movie theaters. Look at that, guys. That's like a super huge poster of who's the chai? Mohanlal. Oh my god. Abhishek, all your friends are here and stuff. So guys, so we are going for this movie called Odeon. Odeon, right? Odeon. We're going for Odeon. And the theater doesn't look that great, but let's see how it goes. It's all about the experience. Finishing off the movie. It looks pretty cool, guys. Cool theater. Not done with this movie. What an amazing movie, y'all! Shout out to my man Nikhil for showing me this amazing movie, guys. It's amazing, super amazing. If you guys get to watch this movie, you're the luckiest person on earth and shit. So guys, that's a wrap up. Right now we're going to the station, I think. Man, Sudarshan, Nikhil, can you come here? Nikhil, you need to come here, man. Nikhil, man. This guy, okay, I respected his opinion and shit. He's like the head boy of Arun and stuff. So I'm like, okay, CR of mechanical branch. He'll have some sense. Takes me to a movie where a guy simply converts into a bull and runs around.
I don't know what to say, okay?
Okay, guys, but
like beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Okay? Like
fuck you. I don't swear in my vlogs, but I don't swear in my vlogs, but fuck you, Nikhil.
Dude, I feel my everywhere bull is going to come against me, dude.
Okay, guys, right now we're going to the station. It's all hurry burry. So see you soon, guys. Peace out.